How to check if your NC Assist license includes an active maintenance agreement. The maintenance facility will allow you to run new versions of the software and take advantage of the latest developments. This includes support for additional machines, graphical upgrades, performance improvements, and more. To find out what's new in NC Assist, visit www.stargb.com/nc-assist. Step 1. Launch your current version of NC Assist. Step 2. Locate the drop-down menu titled Help and select the About option. Step 3. In the pop-up window, select the License Details option. Step 4. If the information box titled Maintenance shows remaining days, your maintenance facility is still active and you can safely update to the latest version of NC Assist. If NC Assist displays Maintenance is expired, your agreement is out of date and a new license is required. If you're located within the UK or Ireland, a new license can be purchased directly from StarGB. For license upgrades in other countries, please contact your local Star dealer.